Would you like to perform a search in Excel and return multiple results based on a condition? If yes, then this video is for you. For example, you can say I have a small data set right here. This is a database that contains several companies with the number of products that they deal in or the products that they produce. And if you'd like to actually type in a specific company name in this particular cell so that you can only look at the products that belong to that particular company, you can actually come in here and test that. Let us punch in any company name. I'll go for Conlog first. Hit enter key on the keyboard and you can see I get all products that pertain to this particular company. I can actually change this one to something else. Let me go with Samsung. Okay, you can see now I get all products that belong to any particular company that has the keyword that I have punched in this particular cell. We can completely achieve this without using any VBA code, and I'm going to be showing you in just a moment. Let us start right now. Starting off, this is the list of the different companies that we are maintaining in our database with their corresponding products that they actually manufacture. So we're going to be searching from this particular database. So what I've done is to create another worksheet right here, which will be our filter worksheet where our results will be actually printed. So one single formula that we need to write here is I'll head over to this cell and say equals. I open the filter function. And you can see the filter function requires that we give it an array where we shall be filtering from. So I'll come over to this worksheet and select this entire database of mine that I have right here. So control right pointing arrow and then down pointing arrow to highlight the entire database. F4 key on the keyboard to lock it, comma, and in the include argument, I'll actually open the ISNUMBER function. And inside the ISNUMBER function, I'll again open the search function, and then I can tell Excel what is my keyword that I'm gonna be using to search. So we shall come back to our filtered list and point to this particular cell. So this is our keyword that we are searching from our list. I will actually lock this one as well, comma, where are we gonna be searching this particular keyword from? So this is the within text argument inside the search function. I'll come back to this worksheet and highlight the company column. So I'll need to come over onto the top and actually highlight this entire column right here. F4 key on the keyboard to lock it again, comma, close the search function from here, and let's also close the ISNUMBER function from here. And now you can see we are back inside our filter screen tip. Now what we need to do here is to declare if a company is not found. What do we need to print? I'll say comma, and then I open quotes. I'll say company not found. I close my quotes and close the filter function from here. Hit enter key on the keyboard. As you can see right now, the keyword that we have in our search bar is company name called Sintel, and you can see these are the only products that belong to this particular company. I can actually change this keyword to something else. I can go for Conlog, enter, and now you can see it gives us all transactions or all products that belong to Conlog. I can actually change this to something else. I can go for Hexing, enter, and you can see all products that belong to this particular company. So what is happening here is that we are performing both full and partial text search in Excel. If you'd like to learn more about dynamic array functions, watch the video that is showing on your screen. And if you enjoy this type of videos, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.